This is the next project that I'm going to make, and this is going to be a bodysuit, guys. So this is one of the sleeves. I already have that sewn, and this is the top part of the top, guys. So if you guys can see, this is the top and this is the back. So I'm getting ready to assemble it. And this, guys, I had to put a zipper in it because with the bodysuit, you got to be able to unzip it and get in. It is spandex. So, guys, with this particular outfit, I did like the princess seams. So you guys can't see it because it's black, but it's a seam going here and the seam going there. It gives it just a pretty better shape, guys. So I have this is the, which one is this? This is the front part of my pants leg, guys. So I got the front part of my pants leg already. And I got the back part of my pants leg already, guys. So now I'm just going to put this beautiful project together, guys. And I'm so excited, guys. I got my Instagram up and going. And it wasn't like I thought it would be, you know, because I'm not real technical with the internet stuff. But, you know, I'm just getting my product out there. And, guys, our mind is so powerful. If you want to do something, just know that you can do anything you put your mind to. And this is kind of where I want my focus to go. Like everybody say, how did it change, you know, from this to the wigs? The wigs, I did the wigs for, oh my gosh, over 11 years. And it just got to the point where I just wanted a different pace. And if you guys, some guys that have been following me for a while, they remember I went to school online at Penn Foster College. And I got my diploma in dressmaking and design. So that's kind of what I wanted to do. And I always wanted my own clothing line. I love, you know, fashion. And the wigs, guys, I used to have to sit down. And for people that follow me for a long time, they know that it took me 60 hours to make a full lace wig. And I was getting them out within 21 business days. And I got trigger finger and different things like that, guys. You know, it just was a lot. And then after the death, the triple homicide of my family, my son, his dad, his brother, I was actually working on 3 wigs at the time. And I had to stop, you know, working on the wigs and get prepped for, you know, my son's funeral. And, you know, I just abruptly had to leave and wasn't prepared, you know, and I offered my customers their money back, you know, and they said no, they'll wait. And, they was as patient as they can be. And I got, you know, I was out there probably about three weeks, and I got the funeral up and going, and then I wind up, you know, coming back, and then had to, you know, settle in and get those wigs, you know, done because they, you know, they was patient enough to wait. But my heart was gone. And it's like I had disconnected from my customers. If people noticed that with my wigs, I used to give updates and everything. But I had totally disconnected because I just didn't really feel like talking or doing anything. So finally, I launched a video and kind of went, you know, live and kind of told everybody, you know, what went on. And then I revealed the wig that I was working on and that I finished. And some man on there, he criticized me. He said, how could you make a wig? And how could you sit there and talk about a wig and your son just died? And like I said, my son had died. We had the funeral. The funeral was over. And I had paying customers that was waiting for me and needed their, you know, their product. So as a business owner, I had to kick back into gear. And I thank that God that I was able to start back, you know, to be able to, you know, come home. And God gave me the ability to finish that wig. But I got judged for finishing that wig, you know, whatever, like, how dare you or whatever. But, you know, you get these nasty people. They just say whatever they want to say to people, just, you know, and you don't know that until you in that position. So a lot of times people kill me when they judge people and they say stuff. But I thank God that he gave me the ability to be able to finish. But within that time, I realized that I didn't want to do wigs no more. It was too much on me. It took way too much of my time. And there's multiple things that I can do. Like making clothes doesn't take 60 hours. of labor. You know, when you make clothes, if you know what you're going to do, the next part is just buying the fabric and then assembly, putting it together. It's a lot easy. And then I found my passion in my clothes, and I said, that's what I wanted to do. And then I was able to make my reborns. And then I was able to paint for my anxiety. You know, I used to be on depression medication and anxiety and all kind of stuff, going to therapy. And I discovered, you know, laws of attraction. And I discovered how powerful our mind is, meaning that if I believed that I was depressed, then I would be depressed. If it was whatever my belief system is. So now I don't claim depression and other things like that. But I had a big transition that I went through. And I just thank God for the ability that he gave me, that I was able to, you know, guys, be able to work, to be able to finish those wigs and different things like that. So now, guys, I am in a good space. I'm in a great space, and I'm so grateful that God gave me the ability to be in this space. So now making clothes is what I want to do. I want to be the next Angel Brinks. You know, I want to have beautiful pieces and, you know, dress people in my clothes and different things like that. So this gives me joy, guys. So this is my joy, my happy joy. So that's where I'm at now, you know. So that's why you guys don't see me at all no more really dealing with the wigs. You know, I make these pieces for me, but I lost the passion for that. So I will not go back to doing wigs for other people, but I do teach because, you know, God still gave me that gift. And I would teach, but as far as me making them, you know, to sell, I won't do that again. I don't want to do that anymore. So just want to give you guys an update. So thank you guys for always watching. And guys, when I finish this project, I'll let you guys see it. But I think I'm going to go ahead and launch this one because this video is going to be a lot longer. So me talking, kind of giving you guys like my reasoning and behind it. So I'm going to go ahead and launch this video, guys, and then I'll show you guys the finishing product when it's all done. So thank you guys for your time, for tuning in with me. And then I'll take a screenshot. And if you guys want to find my Instagram, just freeze it and you can go there. And guys, I'm also on Pinterest. And I'll take a picture of that as well in this and kind of show you guys. So I'm kind of putting my work all there. And guys, whatever you want to be, you can do it. So I am the next big thing. I believe it. I receive that. My clothes is going to go all around the world, just like my wig. So thank you guys so much. God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, guys. So this is the finishing result of this bodysuit, guys. It is a cute little number. And like I say, I liked it this color because it reminded me of Keisha, Gucci's wife. I don't be saying her last name right. So, I got to find out what Gucci last name is because he be saying it. He be calling her that. Got to remember what her Gucci last name is. And I'll call her by that because I can't pronounce her last name. But guys, this is it. So, and I did put a zipper down the back, but because the spandex is so forgiving and the V-neck is such spaces that I can kind of get right in and out of it without even have to unzip it. But I bet you if I want to put a zipper in it, it wouldn't work. So yes, guys, this is the finishing results. And actually, the type of shoes I will put on with this, y'all see that green in here, that mint green popping? I will put some mint green shoes on. These shoes that I have with some green in it, got a little green up in it, so then will be the ones I put on. So guys, this is the finishing results of this bodysuit. And I'm actually going to take it in right here, guys. If you guys see, it's kind of saggy. So it can use some alterations and take it up. Because anytime you get that sagginess right here, guys, remember how we talked about it before? Well, it's kind of hard to see because of this. But if you guys see a lot of that looseness, that means you can take up the seam right here and get rid of that. So you see when I take up that seam right there, bow, it'll be popping then. And you guys, for people that was following me, I've been doing that massage roller thing And it's been giving me a better shape. I'm getting a little better shape. My SpongeBob booty looking a little bit better. Looking a little bit better. So, yes, I'm just going to do their alterations right there. And, guys, there you go. Happy sewing. Bye-bye. Hi guys, I want to keep y'all popping. So this is another lovely bodysuit that I made, guys. And this one right here is lovely. And remember, guys, I can make bodysuits in any color. This one does have a zipper in the back. I can make it in any color, so you don't have to go this color. So any color. I kind of got inspired by Gucci's wife, and she wear a lot of stuff that's colorful like this. So I got inspired by her. So I wanted to make something cute of Miss Keisha. So shout out to Miss Keisha. I seen her with something on like this. So I wanted to make it. So if you guys are looking for bodysuits and they're not in the store, hit your girl up. I want 3 weeks, guys, depending on where you're at. I'm located in Minnesota. So, guys, I asked for 3 weeks for me to get all the supplies you need. Don't take me long to make, but depending on where my order's at, that's why I'm saying a 3-week turnaround. So if you guys want some bad bodysuits and you're going out to the club, hit your girl up. All right, guys. Bye-bye.